I've gone ahead even, and replaced all the caps on this. It's looking smart. I do like to get it looking nice. So I've done all the caps, as you can see underneath my meter there. I will test them in a bit, just see if we've got any real bad ones. Next thing is to do the quiescent current and midpoint voltage. Now, we've got two adjustment pots there. I've linked the input and ground, so as we've got no noise. And you can see I've just hooked a lead on that as a ground for now. Over here I've cut the link. This is for the quiescent current. That's going to my keysight meter there. And I've got a link in the junction of R14, R15, which is the position. You can just see the link down there coming out the bottom. So that's the junction of these two resistors here, R14 and R15. That's for the midpoint voltage. Now I think the instruction manual is incorrect because it states, I think, that they've got these backwards, so I need to just study that and make sure. But apart from that, I'm all set up. So say I've got the Maplin meter to do the voltage, and I've got the keysight to do the quiescent current. So bear with me, I'm just going to double check the adjustment points, and I'm going to crack on and get it done. Okay, so all set up, I'm switched on. As you can see, I've got 9.13 as my midpoint voltage and 1.9-ish for my quiescent current. So I'm looking for 8.85 for the midpoint voltage and 3 milliamps for the quiescent current. So I am a little bit down. Now, as I say, the instruction book is wrong on this. We've got RV3 and RV4 here, and the instruction book refers to RV2 and RV1. So I believe you've got to do RV4 for the quiescent current, which is this one, and that's RV3 for the midpoint voltage. So we'll try that first. We'll have a twiddle of RV3. So let's get in there. So I'm looking at this meter. Wrong way. So I need 8.85. Okay, I've got a dirty pot. It's close. I mean, it's brought the quiescent current up a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to switch off and pop a bit of switch cleaner on both of those potentiometers and give it another try. Okay, so I've cleaned that pot now. I've cleaned them both actually, so we've dropped quite a lot of quiescent current there. But let's just get in and adjust this one again. So looking for 8.85. Fiddly as hell. Well, 8.85, so we're up to 0.8 on this one, so we need to be 3 on this one. So that's this one here now. Gosh, really. There. That's gone up a little bit, so we need to trim that one back. God, it's fiddly. It's fiddly. Let's get my other screwdriver. There we are. 3 milliamps, 8.85. So what I'm going to do now, just leave that to settle. I'm going to leave it on for 5 minutes and just readjust them. But there you are. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it done. So there you go. Next up, I'll quickly test the capacitors and crack on and get this tuning dial done, and hopefully we'll be nearly there. So you can see we've cracked up to 8.9 there. So I'm just going to leave it to warm up for a bit and give it another test or another trim. Thanks for watching.